You have seen countless creators uploading AI drama videos, AI trailers, and even full AI films on YouTube right now, and they are genuinely making a very impressive amount from this style of content. But what most of you are still trying to figure out is the easiest possible process to create these kinds of cinematic films and trailers without going through complicated steps, without jumping between 10 different tools, and without spending hours trying to get a decent result. And from today, you do not have to worry about that anymore, because in this video, I am going to show you the complete and genuinely easy process to create full AI cinematic drama videos using just one single tool, and all you need to give it is one single sentence to start with. I am going to show you my honest experience using this from beginning to end, and then we will watch the result together at the end. The tool is called Topview AI. The link is already in the description below. The moment you sign up and open the platform, the interface looks exactly like this. And as you scroll down, you will immediately find a collection of ready-made creation examples that give you an instant sense of the quality and range this tool is genuinely capable of producing. Now, inside the chat bar, you will find a skill option. Click on it, and a full skill library opens up right here. Inside this library, you will find ready-made workflows for all kinds of video formats. Inside the film studio, you can create full AI films with complete character and scene consistency. Inside the drama studio, you can build dramatic story videos with a guided production workflow. The variety here is genuinely impressive. But before we dive into the full process, there is something really important I want to mention, because this is a genuine game changer for AI video quality right now. Seedance 2.5, the most advanced and enhanced video generation model available, is completely live inside Topview AI right now. And if you pick up their Ultra plan, you get 60 days of unlimited Seedance 2.5 usage completely included. Having used it through this entire project, I can tell you the difference in output quality is immediately noticeable. But more on that when we see the result. Now let's get into the actual process. We are starting from the homepage chat bar. Inside the chat bar, paste your topic or concept. I am going with this. Create a mafia crime drama. A loyal enforcer turns against the empire he built. Now before hitting enter, make sure you have Seedance 2.5 selected as your video model right here. I already have it selected. You can also choose your preferred agentic model from the options available, but I am keeping it on the standard setting for this. And if you have a reference image or a specific character look you want to use, you can upload that directly from here as well. Once everything is set, simply hit enter, and a brand new workflow opens up right in front of you. Topview AI immediately begins analyzing your topic and understanding the creative direction of your concept. And within just a couple of seconds, it delivers a complete story direction draft right here inside the workflow. The narrative structure, the tone, the character direction. It is all laid out clearly, and it genuinely captured the dark and intense energy I was going for with this concept. It asks if everything looks good or if I want any changes made. The direction looks exactly right to me. I just confirmed that I want the aspect ratio set to 16:9, and everything else is good. The process moves forward automatically, and after typing OK, it continues into the next stage. Within just a couple of minutes, the storyboard images start generating right here inside the workflow, appearing one by one in real time. And watching these appear honestly gave me that immediate feeling that this was going to turn out well. The visual direction, the cinematic framing, the dramatic mood, all of it is landing exactly where it needs to be for this kind of content. And here is a really useful feature worth pointing out. At this stage, you can actually save the entire workflow as a reusable skill for your future projects. So if you build a workflow you love, you never have to rebuild it from scratch again. I am completely satisfied with the storyboard quality, so I type continue and hit enter. After a few more minutes, Topview AI generates the full scene cards for the video right here. Every scene mapped out with its visual and narrative details. I type continue again, and the video scene generation begins. The very first video scene appears right here, and I am genuinely shocked by the quality. The cinematic depth, the character detail, the dramatic lighting. This is Seedance 2.5 doing exactly what it was built for, and the difference is immediately obvious. But if you want to change any scene or any part of the video, you can simply do it by typing it here. So I type continue for the next scene, and it appears within just a couple of minutes. And since I want all the remaining scenes generated together, I simply ask the agent to create all video scenes simultaneously, and it starts generating every single one of them right here inside the workflow automatically. Now I just sit back and let Topview AI handle everything. And when all the scenes are completely done, I go through every single one of them, and I am completely satisfied with the consistency, the visual quality, and the overall cinematic feel across every scene. Now the agent asks asks what the next step should be. I ask it to generate background music with an intense and dramatic feel to match the mafia crime tone. And within just a few seconds, a full ready-to-use background music track is generated and sitting right here. Now everything we need for the complete drama video is ready. I click on the timeline option right here, and the editing timeline opens up in front of me. I attach all the video scenes one by one onto the timeline in the correct sequence from start to finish. Then I import the background music, place it on the timeline, and adjust the volume level so the music sits perfectly underneath the visuals without overpowering anything. Once everything is balanced and the whole video feels exactly right, I click the export button in the top right corner, and Topview AI begins rendering the final video immediately. Within just a few seconds, the render is completely done. I click download, and that is it. Now, let's watch the result together.
Sit. I made you everything you are.
I am completely satisfied with what Topview AI delivered here, and I genuinely mean that. The video quality, the character consistency, the cinematic production value, I have honestly not seen this level of AI video output before, and it is entirely because of what Seedance 2.5 brings to the table. If you want to experience this yourself, the link to Topview AI is already waiting for you in the description below. Go and try it out right now. And remember, if you pick up the Ultra plan, you get 60 days of unlimited Seedance 2.5 usage completely included.